In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate your images with free AI tool. Open Google, type runwayml.com, click on Try Runway for free. Now you need to sign up with your email. After sign up, you will come to this page. Click on Start Generating. Drag and drop your image or click on Upload a file. You can also create video by entering your desired prompt. Click on General Motion icon. You can increase or decrease the intensity of motion. Higher values result in more motion. Now click Camera button. You can adjust camera motion and speed. Here you have different options to set, such as horizontal, pan, roll, vertical, tint, and zoom. You can adjust the settings, play around with the settings to get better result. You can adjust the settings, then click on Save, and then click on Generate. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. Click on Play button to preview. Click on Full Screen button to see the full video. If you are satisfied with the results, simply click on Download icon. Like and subscribe. Global Tech Solutions.